How to sign in to Socrat.ai with Google on PC. Do you prefer to skip passwords? Here's how to log in to Socrat.ai using your Google account on PC. Launch the desktop app or go to www.socrat.ai and click Login at the top. At the bottom, choose Continue with Google. A pop-up will ask you to select a Google account. Click Allow to connect your Google account and Socrat.ai will log you instantly. And now you're all set. Google Login makes accessing Socrat.ai faster and more secure. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video or if this video helped you, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.